Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be creating a drawing pin using the Revolve feature in SolidWorks. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. So, let's get started. In this video, all the dimensions are measured in millimeters. Click on the Unit System area and select MMGS. We will begin by creating a sketch for the base feature, the first or parent feature of our model. Activate the Sketch tool, select the top plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate the Line tool and draw a vertical line like this, then a horizontal line like this, an inclined line here, and an arc. To create an arc, move the cursor back to the end point of the line and then move the cursor. The arc mode gets activated, and now click to specify the end point of the arc. Once the arc is drawn, the line mode gets activated. You can continue draw the line. Now again an inclined line. And lastly, create an arc here, then close the sketch. After creating the sketch, right-click and then click on Select to exit the tool. Next, we will apply the relations and the dimensions to fully define the sketch. Select this arc and this line and set the tangent relation between them. After that, activate the Smart Dimension tool. Select this vertical line and set its length to 12 millimeters. Now select this horizontal line and set the horizontal distance as 5 millimeters. Now select this inclined line and set the vertical length as 1.5 millimeters. And then select this arc and set the arc radius as 2 millimeters. Now, select this inclined line and set the vertical length as 9 millimeters. And then select this arc and set the arc radius as 16 millimeters. Now select this horizontal line and set the horizontal length as 4 millimeters. Now select this point and the vertical line and set the horizontal distance between them as 1.5 millimeters. And again, select this point and the horizontal line and set the vertical distance between them as 0.5 millimeters. You can see after applying all the dimensions and relations, the sketch becomes fully defined and all the entities turn black. Next, we will revolve this sketch. Go to the feature. Activate the Revolve Base tool. Select this line as the axis of revolutions. The Revolve feature is used to create a solid by revolving a 2D profile around an axis. This is ideal for creating symmetrical objects like our drawing pin, as it simplifies the creation process by rotating the sketch around a central axis. Click on the green checkmark to confirm the creation of the Revolve feature. Next, we will apply the Dome feature. Go to the Insert tab, then to the feature, and then activate the Dome tool. Select this face as parameters and set the distance to 1 millimeter. The Dome feature is used to add a rounded, dome-shaped surface to a selected face. This is particularly useful for adding details like the rounded tip of the drawing pin. Click on the green checkmark to exit the tool. After that, select the right plane and activate the Sketch tool. Then activate the Centerline tool and draw it here. Then right-click and click on Select. Activate the Line tool and draw a vertical line, then a horizontal line, and an arc like this. Now, close the sketch. Right-click and click on Select to exit the tool. Activate the Smart Dimension tool. Now select this horizontal line and set it to 5 millimeters. Now select this line and set it to 11 millimeters. And then select this vertical line and set the length as 0.6 millimeters. Next, we will revolve it. Go to the feature, activate the Revolve Boss tool. Preview appears. Click on the green check mark. And after that, we will change the appearance. select this and this with the Control key, and then click on Appearance and select this. The Appearance library appears. Open the Appearance library, open Plastic, and select High Gloss. Then go here and select High Gloss Plastic. Double-click to apply it. Go here and select blue color. Now click on the green tick mark. Now select this, and then click on Appearance and select this. The Appearance library appears. Appearance library is already open here. Go here, open Metal Select Chrome, and select Chromium Plate. Double-click on it. Now click on the green tick mark, and that's it. You have now created a drawing pin in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.